How to fix direct message option missing on TikTok. So the very first thing you want to make sure that you're running the latest version of the app. In order to check it out, head over to your app store. In the source bar, search for TikTok and then move into this app. Right here, you can see the option of update instead of open, which means that your application is not up to date. So in this case, tap on update and update your app to the latest version. Now you have to wait for a while for it to complete. Once you have got the latest version of the app, now the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of the device, move into general and then head over to iPhone storage. In this page, simply search for the application TikTok and then head over to it. Tap on offload app. Once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. And that's gonna help you out as well. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix direct message option not showing on TikTok. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.